Now we are going to tackle grammar of unit 2, part 2. We will discuss the difference between prepositions. We have many types of prepositions. We have prepositions of time, prepositions of place, prepositions of movements, and also we have some prepositions related to nouns, verbs, or adjectives. First of all, we will tackle prepositions of time. We will start with the smallest unit of time, which is the hours. So with hours, we use at. We say at 3 o'clock. Also, we use at for different times of the day, like dawn, noon, night, and midnight. Bigger than the hours is the day, Sunday. And also we have the dates. Actually, the date is a kind of a day. So we use on. So on is used before days and dates. Bigger than this, we have April, spring, 1999. So what are these? It's a month, a season, and a year. We use before them in. So in is used with month, seasons, and years. And also in is used for different times of the day, like the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. We have another type of prepositions, which is prepositions of place. If I have the door or the cinema, before this we use at. So at is used for small places. What about the left? My way. Or a bus, the bus. Means of transportation. So we use on. So on is used for directions and means of transportation. What about London or Kuwait? We use in. In is used before cities or countries. By bus. So by is used before means of transportation. Notice the difference between by bus and on the bus or on a bus. There is a difference here. We use articles before the means of transportation if I want to use on. Amongst. Amongst has the same meaning as between, but the difference is between two. But amongst is amongst more than two. You can say, I sit amongst my friends. We have some prepositions related to particular nouns, adjectives, like agree. We use agree with and agree to. Agree with someone, agree with you, agree with Muhammad, agree with Nuha, and agree to the idea, agree to something. Arrive. Arrive is followed by at or in. We can say arrive at the airport, arrive in Kuwait. So at for small places and in for big places, like countries, cities, and so on. Angry is followed by with and also at. When you are angry with, you are angry with someone. Angry at something. I'm angry at the noise. For position, we say the space of the. You can say, for example, the capital of Kuwait, the leg of the table. The reason is followed by for, and in order is followed by to. Take part in. Actually, girls, you have to memorize all these prepositions. Let's answer this exercise to see if you can choose the right preposition or not. Number 1, space, the 12th of November 2008, my little brother was born. So it is on because it's a date. The charity discussed the problem, poverty. The problem of poverty, it is preposition here. Kuwait took part in, we said take part in. They study harder in order to get high marks. So as we said, in order is followed by to. Alia was sitting amongst her friend because here we have more than two. Fast foods are the reason for obesity in children. We arrived the cinema, so here we say at. Mother was angry with me because angry with people. We went to the university bus. Notice here we don't have any article, so it is by bus. The children were singing happily the bus. So here we have the article the before the means of transportation, so it is on. And thank you very much for listening.